Hello friends, welcome to the Yuva Institute channel. In continuation with my previous videos of nomenclature of organic compounds, this video will talk about the nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes. And with this video, we will be finishing up with the nomenclature of hydrocarbon part. Let's start with the rules. The general formula for alkenes is CnH2n, that is a formula for homologous series, CnH2n, alkynes CnH2n minus 2, right? Now, parent name. See, we have to select the parent name accordingly. If there is one alkene, only alkene is written, it means there is one double bond. But what if there are two double bonds? Please remember the name converts to alkadiene. Similarly, for a triple bond, alkatriene. So this A comes into the picture. Most of the times, the mistake that students do is they miss out on this A. They just write alkadiene. तो ध्यान रखेंगे ये गलती नहीं करनी है. We should be using this A. इसी तरीके से look over here. Here it is alkadiene. Alkatriene. Clear? Understood this part? If in case both double and triple bonds are present, then alkene. This is how you should be writing the name. Now, while writing the name of alkene or alkyne, the name should be locant, substituent, primary prefix if any, then the root word followed by whether you will be writing ene if there is a double bond, ine if there is a triple bond, and enine if there is a double as well as a triple bond. Okay. So root word will be either ene or ine or enine. Please remember, only double bond, ene, only triple bond, ine, both double and triple bond, enine. Okay, this is how we will be writing the name of the compound. Okay. Primary prefix you should remember. When do you use it? कब use करते हैं बच्चों उसको? जब we are having a cyclo compound, a cycloalkene or a cycloalkyne. Okay. चलिए, let's go ahead now. Let's talk about the rules. Okay. The first rule is the longest chain rule. Very important thing over here is that the longest chain should contain the double or triple bond. Whether or not it has the maximum number of carbons, उसके पास ज़्यादा कार्बन हो या ना हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता बच्चों, डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड जरूर होना चाहिए. So as you can see, the name that I have written, the red one marked is wrong. आपने अगर पीछे वाली वीडियोस देखी हैं, you have seen the last videos, whenever I use the red color, it is wrong. Blue, right. Okay. So maximum number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we are not using it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the right chain, the longest chain, because it contains the double bond. So the name will be 2, that is a locant, ethyl, that is a substituent, 4 carbons, so bute, ene. Now you will say, sir, आपने यहाँ पर 1 क्यों नहीं लिखा? बेटा, in this case I have not written because the chain is starting with 1. But to be on a safer side, if you write instead of bute, if you write bute 1 ene, it is like being on a safer side. अच्छा है लिख दो. लेकिन अगर फर्स्ट कार्बन पर डबल बॉन्ड है और आपने नंबर नहीं लिखा है, it will be accepted. If the double bond is on the first carbon, no need to write 1. But if you write like this or like this, it will be accepted as the right answer. ठीक है. Then comes the lowest locant. The carbon of multiple bond should get the lowest number. Like over here I have given it as number 1, right? Now one more important thing, the position of the multiple bond is designated by the number of first carbon. Now what is it that I mean to say? See, सबसे पहला point, I have given it number 2, lowest locant है. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है that the double bond is at carbon number 2 and it is between carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. ये बात बहुत जरूरी है. If the double bond is at 2, the bond is not between 1 and 2. जो next number होगा उसके बीच में double bond होगा. So if the double bond is at number 2, it means that the double bond is between second and third carbon. Okay, so there are 2 points, give it the lowest number, and what does it mean? It means that the double bond is present between 2 and 3. Okay. Next thing, if the chain has substituent, it is still numbered so as to give the multiple bond the lowest number. Like you see over here, the substituent is getting number 2, the triple bond is getting number 3, but we have to give the lowest number to the triple bond. So the name of this compound will be 6-methyl hex 3, sorry, it is hept, I have written hex 3-methyl hept 3-ine. Okay, so this is 6-methyl hept 3-ine. Okay. Now, in case of more than one substituent, we simply have to follow alphabetical order as you have been doing earlier also, right? In now it's very important point. In cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes, a number is not needed to denote the position of multiple bond. You don't need to actually write 1 or 2. Why? Because in a cyclo compound, the numbering should start from the double or triple bond. Okay, it should start. So, since the ring is always numbered, I have written it is always numbered so that the multiple bond is between carbon 1 and carbon 2. So, in this case, what I will do is, I have to start with number 1. So, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 ethyl, 5 methyl cyclohexene. Now, a very important point over here. You might ask me, sir, why you have given 4 number to ethyl? What if you would have started from here saying 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 5 and then 6? Why you have not done like this? आपने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया? Because I am following alphabetical order. 1, 2, 3, 4, ethyl, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, methyl, M, E is given preference. So that is why 4 ethyl, 5 methyl, cyclohexene. See, I am not writing 1 or 2, but obvious hai that it will be cyclohex 1E. Clear? And the last and very important thing for naming alkenes and alkynes, if both carbon-carbon double and triple bonds are present, and if there are different locations, like you see over here, there are different locations. If I start from this, I get number 1. If I start from this, I get number 2. So if there are different locations, give preference to lowest locant rule. We should follow lowest locant rule. That's what I have written. Follow lowest locant rule. So you see, I have written it as pent 3-ene, 3-ene, 1-ine. So no preferences have been given. But if they are at equivalent position, equivalent means you start from here, you start from here. It is 1 for double bond, 1 for triple bond. In such a case, give preference to double bond. So the name will be but 1N3-ine. Got it? Right? It's a very important point. They can ask you about this. Now, as a homework which I have been giving, I gave it to you in the last class also. In this case also, I am giving you 2 questions which you have to solve and write it in the comment section. what would be the name of this compound and what would be the name of this compound. Okay, so do write the name of this compound, the two compounds in the comment section. I hope आप लोगों को ये videos समझ में आ रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा है, आप इनको व्यू कर रहे हैं. We are seeing the views are increasing day by day. If there anything else you want to know, if you want to ask any particular name of a particular compound or any other video that you want us to record and upload, please do let us know and do subscribe to our channel of UA Institute. Happy watching the videos, keep learning, keep scoring. Bye bye.